Right. So, a warm welcome to all of you. And uh, as you know, that this particular webinar is scheduled to introduce about what is food processing business and how it works. And we are going to give you a lot of knowledge today regarding food industry, how you can create your career, how you can grow with the food industry. We are going to cover the COVID scenarios, and we also gonna cover the futures and prospects and career opportunities in this business. So how you can create your business and how you can go and build a business from very scratch. Like we have a lot of examples since last 3 or 4 years we are conducting these classes, and we have so many examples to announce. And basically I just want to give you a little bit introduction about myself. I'm Manish, and I'm a marketing manager for MITI. And along with me I have Mrs. Anaga Gandhi, and she would be taking this she would be walk you through this complete process, because she is a master in this, and she would be giving you all the knowledge about how this course is designed and how you can get benefited with this. Apart from this, she would be giving you live example opportunities, then what is the platform, what you need to do. As you can see on my screen, this screen would be taken care by ma'am, and she would be giving all the program knowledge about that, what is food industry, how you can create your career, fruit processing, vegetable processing, grain milling, cereal processing, milk and milk products, fish processing, meat and pottery products, oil seed processing, bakery products, consumer industry, and a lot of courses. And the guidance about these courses would be included in this webinar. So, hold tight. And this course is designed in a way where you can understand the basics of food industry, the products, the career, the growth, the marketing, the digital marketing part, and everything is covered in this course. And ma'am is taking over now. So again, I welcome all of you to this webinar, and I hope कि हम ये आपका जो दिया हुआ टाइम है इसका रियल यूटिलाइज कर सके और हम आपको the perfect information provide कर सके. So that is our intention. And I would be stop sharing my uh, here. And over to you, ma'am. We have Anaga Gandhi, ma'am. She is CEO of MITI Trainings, and she would be taking you or walk you through all the contents, all the material, and the course design, the future, and everything. She would be taking on now ahead. So thank you very much, and once again, I appreciate your time. Literally, I really appreciate your time and effort that you are in the webinar, and I welcome once again. And I would be back in some time after ma'am's presentation, and then I would be explaining something else. But without waiting, let's go to this amazing journey. Or ma'am आपको explain करने वाली है कि how she is going to take this, and what is this industry is all about. Ma'am, over to you. Thank you very much.
I will share, Manish, I will share my screen. Yes, welcome all of you on behalf of Maharashtra Industrial Training Institute. I welcome all of you again. My name is Anaga Gandhi. I am the CEO of this company. And let me introduce about our institute. It's a registered institute. In 2003, we started this. Basically, it is a industrial, technical, and professional institute, and we impart the knowledge of different courses. We organize entrepreneurship development programs, vocational training programs, and management skill development programs. Such type of courses we organize. Besides that, we give industrial consultancy and preparation of project report. So like this knowledge we give on behalf of Maharashtra Industrial Training Institute. During this is a quite long journey since from 2003, 17 years we are developing entrepreneurs. Our motto and our goal is to develop the entrepreneurs. And I think about 10 to 15,000 entrepreneurs we have. They have started their own business, their industries, and they are running successfully. And for which we have received and we have honored with number of awards and citations, DST, Government of India, then state level, Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture, then from Thane Municipal Council, such a number of awards we have received. See, here are the different courses which we conduct. Tax consultant, share market, tax consultant course we are running. We are having this course since from 2004, and every Sunday we are conducting this course in which we include income tax, GST, and account setting up to finalization and all these things. Share market, then Ayurvedic products, export import management, some management courses also we conduct, travel and tourism management, event management, real estate, cooperative society management. This is the one which is very popular course, packaged drinking water. Many of about 10 to 15 entrepreneurs, they have started their industry of worth rupees more than 1 CR. Solar energy, then food processing industry. This is the most popular course in our institute. And there are a number of courses under food industry. They are also quite popular, food and vegetable. They are uniquely designed for the specific one product, just like spices, milk and milk products, bakery products. Like this, there are number of courses we are having, and everyone's duration is different duration we are having, and every course is designed differently. Besides this, we give small personal micro enterprise consultancy, and also we prepare the project reports of different businesses. So now let us start, friends. What happens? मैं अभी जो कोर्स अभी आपको जो एक छोटा एक वेबिनार का जो इंट्रोडक्शन देने वाली हूँ. I will introduce about the course which we are going to conduct. A 5 days course we are going to conduct, and in that course which are the subjects will be covered, that I will brief in this free seminar. So let's start with the main agenda. पहले एक तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बधाई देती हूँ, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बोलती हूँ, because you have decided to become an entrepreneur. What does it mean by entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is the word, it is a French word, means shuru karna. So the person who starts his own business is called as a entrepreneur. And you have decided to, and you have determined that I will be the entrepreneur. For that, I congratulate you. I think that many of you must be having the your own business also. But those who are freshers, for them, this is the good decision you have taken, because now you will be the job giver, not a job asking person. So अपने आप को अभी बॉस बोलिए, and we will go for the food industry. Why food industry? There are certain different sectors in these businesses. Just like chemical industry है, textile है, plastic है, then banking sector है, IT sector है, and different sectors are there. Then why we should go for the food industry? Food is mainly food is the essential commodity for the life. Food industry जो है, अगर आप चालू करते हैं, शुरू करते हैं, तो देर इज अ नो एंडिंग नहीं है इसकी, तो जरूरत लाइफ लॉन्ग चलती रहती है. सो इट इज अ क्वाइट होपफुल, मीन्स जिसमें होप्स भरा हुआ है, ऐसी ये इंडस्ट्री है. इट्स आवर इंडिया इज द एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री. 70% people they do agriculture business, so it is a agriculture country. And plenty of raw material is available. The main thing is that we are having raw material, fruits and vegetables, cereals, grains, fish, number of raw materials we are having, and that is plenty of we are having in India. The technology of this to prepare the processing, the technology of processing is very simple and very easy. Market potential is higher. What does it mean by market potential? Market potential means the difference between market demand and supply. If the market demand is more than supply, suppose the demand is 100 ton and supply is only 50 ton, then definitely there is a market potential. So in this sector, there is a market potential. So we should enter in such sector that where there is a market potential. And this market, food processing market is growing every year by 15% per annum. In other sectors, you can see that the investment is very high. Just like packaged drinking water, if you want to set up an industry, the investment will be more than 50 lakh. In food industry, it's not like that. There are number of products, 500, 600. There are number of products in which you can start the any industry or any business. छोटा मोटा business अगर आप चालू करते हो तो घर से भी चालू कर सकते हैं. And it is very, with low investment you can start this, and with getting higher profit margin, 40 plus net profit margin you can earn in this. And government is also boosting for this industry, as we are having plenty of raw material. So government is giving lot of facilities, lot of subsidies, and promotes for the food industry. MOPM is Ministry of Food Processing Industry. It is established in Delhi, and they are giving a number of facilities, number of subsidies for setting up of the food industry, and they are giving the subsidy for the new machinery which you will set up for this industry. APEDA, this is for export. Those who are exporters, they can get these APEDA's facilities. And tremendous export opportunities also available in this. There are mega parks, 13 mega parks. They are likely to come, and already 27 they are established in Maharashtra, and 13 they will establish in coming days. Now there are different opportunities in these sectors. Just like we can see how many sectors includes in food processing industry. First of all, food processing, fruit processing. In India, there are minimum 20 to 25 fruits. They are seasonal fruits, and we can process on this fruit, and we can get number of products by processing on the fruits. अगर आप खाली मैंगो लेते हैं तो मैंगो, इफ यू विल प्रोसेस ऑन द मैंगो, you can get the 30 to 35 products. Minimum from one fruit you can get 15 to 20 products. Apple, banana, grapes, orange, pomegranate, cashew fruit, then jackfruit, mango, then pineapple, guava, all these fruits. If you will process on them, you can get canning of the fruits, then dehydration of the fruits, then jam, jelly, squashes, juices. Number of products are there by fruits. अभी देखिए 15 to 20 fruits है, and by processing on one fruit, if you are getting 20 products, then 20 into 20, 400 products इधर ही हो गए. So there are lot of opportunities in fruit processing. Vegetable processing also. Maharashtra is having the production of fruits and vegetable. बहुत सारा प्रोडक्शन महाराष्ट्र में ही सेल्फ होता है. टांजानिया, देन ब्राजील, मलेशिया, ये छोटे जो कंट्रीज है, those countries they are having lot of fruits and vegetable production, and India is producing more than now Malaysia. But what happens in Malaysia and Tanzania, they are doing processing on these fruits and vegetables. 40 to 80% they are doing processing, and they are also exporting the products. But in India, we used to consume these fruits and vegetables as it is. Instead of processing, we are doing processing only 2 to 3% processing. So that's why the market potential is tremendous in this fruit and vegetable processing. If you will prepare only fruit pulp, any fruit pulp, and if you will go for the export, and you will search, you will go on searching for the export orders, you cannot fulfill the orders. Like this tremendous market is there for fruit. Simply fruit juices, squashes, and fruit pulp. You can preserve the pulp and you can export it to a number of countries. Then grain milling and cereal milling. Grain and cereals, it is also the highest production in India, in the world. So that's why the primary processing, secondary processing, and tertiary processing, which are done on the grains and cereals. Milk and milk products. मिल्क ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सबसे ज्यादा होता है. तो नाउ धवल क्रांति जो बोलते हैं वो गुजरात में होने के बाद now milk is the production of the milk in India is as good as Australia's की बराबरी अभी इंडिया कर रहा है. फिश प्रोसेसिंग हमारा 7वां नंबर लगता है. 7th we are ranking in fish processing. Then meat and poultry, we are having cattle. Number of cattle are more than any other country. So meat and poultry products are also you can do nicely, and you can export it. Oil seed processing, बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स. बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स तो आप सभी को मालूम है. कितने भी कहाँ भी आप जाओ तो बेकरी ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग बेकरी आइटम में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं, बच्चों से लेकर बूढ़ों तक. कंज्यूमर इंडस्ट्री, फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, FDI, why they are coming in India? Because of consumer industry. Consumer industry is booming like anything. Setting up of cold storages and parks, food parks. Number of, just I told you that 27 food parks are already in India, and 13 more they are coming. And all types of flexible packaging. This is also one opportunity for the food processing industry. Now technical know-how. There are certain products which are you can get the technical know-how, means the recipe of the product, commercial recipes of the product, details of the 400 and 500 food processing products. रॉ मटेरियल प्रोक्योरमेंट, कहाँ से रॉ मटेरियल लाना है, उनके एड्रेसेस क्या है, एंड हाउ टू प्रोक्योर द रॉ मटेरियल, द क्वालिटी ऑफ द रॉ मटेरियल, हाउ इट शुड बी. Classification of processing. There are, see, in food processing industry, we are having 25% organized sector and 75% it is unorganized sector. Why? Because 75% those who are making these products, they are not doing the legal formalities. They have not taken MSME registration, they have not taken FSSAI licenses, and they are not doing legal formalities. As it is, they are making the products and selling the product. 25% of the industries, they are only organized industry. So classification of processing is like this. The primary processing is more than tertiary processing in our India. लोग छोटा मोटा बिजनेस जो करते हैं वो प्राइमरी प्रोसेसिंग में आता है. जैसे आपने धनिया लिया तो धनिया के ऊपर एक ग्राइंडर लाए, उसके ऊपर क्लीन करके उसका पाउडर बनाया, बेच दिया. दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्राइमरी प्रोसेसिंग. So just like that, number of businesses people do. Measurement of ingredients and uses. How to measure the ingredients and how to use those ingredients. Then machineries. मशीनरी जो होती है वो प्रोडक्शन के लिए भी यूज करते हैं, एंड पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए भी मशीनरी बहुत सारी है इसमें. जैसे वैक्यूम पैकेजिंग है, फॉर्म फिल सील मशीन्स है, देन असेप्टिक पैकेजिंग है. नंबर ऑफ पैकेजिंग मशीन्स आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन फूड इंडस्ट्री. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस, we will give in this course 400 to 500 food processing products, which you can choose one of them or two or three of them, and you can start easily your production. Shelf life and laboratory certificate. कैसे है, अगर आप कोई भी दूसरा प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं तो उसका आपको शेल्फ लाइफ चेक नहीं करना पड़ता है. बट फॉर food when you pack in the any kind of packaging, after sale out, when the customer purchases that, at that time the product which is final product, means the finished good, that should be as it is. As it is means uska color hai, appearance hai, uska sugandh hai, ya whatever the qualities the product is existing, that should be as it is. In short, the shelf life of that product should be longer. And what should we do for the getting the shelf life? After packaging, that you have to check in the laboratory. When you manufacture the product, at that time the products the color of the product, the nature of the product, then taste of the product, quality of the product, it should be after 6 months, after 7 months or 8 months, it should be same. It is called as the shelf life. Means जो उसमें जो product है वो वैसा ही होना चाहिए, and that should be checked in the laboratory, and you should get the certificates of that, and then only you can sell it. So shelf life, how to get the shelf life, how to increase the shelf life of the product with the preservative, use of the preservatives, methods of different preservatives, then quality control कैसे करनी है, उसके norms क्या है, flow chart कैसे है, natural process product. You must have seen on the packet that this is the natural product. We have not used preservative in this. So how these products are naturally, they are packing, and how they are getting the shelf life without adding preservative. So all these things we will have in this our course. इसके बारे में बहुत सारी जो बातें हैं वो सब आपको हाईलाइट हम करेंगे और डिटेल्स आपको मिल सकती है इसमें. Then setup of food processing industry. How to set up the industry? बहुत सारे लोगों को क्या लगता है, especially ladies, they think that I will prepare any product and as it is I will pack up in any polythene bag and I will sell out. But when you are going for the commercial production and when you are doing the business of that product, at that time you have to undergo certain legal formalities. So in the beginning, you have to form your company or any enterprise. Whether it is a constitution of the enterprise, means how you want to form your company. Just like proprietary है, या LLP है, या partnership करना है आपको, या private limited है, या limited company है. That you have to decide, and for certain regulations and rules and regulations you have to follow, and you have to form the company. Basis and presumptions. जैसे for this you have to first of all you have to decide the target of the marketing. Target, आपको कहाँ बेचना है, means full all over India if you want to cover for selling, or in your state only you want to sell the product, और उसके नीचे क्या आता है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इफ यू वांट टू सेल द प्रोडक्ट इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू मेक द टारगेट ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन. अगर मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट टारगेट लेती हूँ तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट को मैं when I will produce my production at that time, that should be sufficient to whole district. And according to you have to choose the machinery. The capacity of the machinery will depend upon the target you have decided, and that is called the basis of the production. So basis of the product decide the base of the production, and on that base you have to do all presumptions. जो भी presumptions आगे की है वो base के ऊपर होती है. Then you have to take go for the legal formalities. Different NOCs you have to take, just like from municipality. If you are in the municipality area, you have to take NOC from municipality. Then you have to take FSSI license. You have to take MPSC certification or NOC from MPSC. MSME registration you have to take. Micro, small, medium enterprise registration. Nowadays it is online registration. You can get this registration, but you have to. That is very essential to do the registration. Then FSSI rules and regulations. क्या rules है, क्या क्या regulations है, उसके terms conditions क्या है, how they rule out. आप इस तरीके से फैक्ट्री चलाते हैं या आपका जो प्रोडक्शन बनाते हैं उसमें कितनी हाइजीनिकली प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं. तो different types of rules and regulations they have let down. Then for any production you require land or you require place. So you can start with your home also, but in home you cannot go for the larger production. You cannot set up the machinery because the home place is very smaller place. So if anybody is not having more space, he can go for rental premises also. There are certain rules and regulations for rental premises also. You can think about this MIDC and industrial cooperative estate also. MIDC are an industrial cooperative estate. These are the leasehold lands, and they are also having different criteria and regulations. Then building, while building and shades shade आप बनाते हो उस टाइम भी आपको legal formalities करनी पड़ती है. That also will be included in this. Plant and machineries, different machineries you want to set up. That how to select the machineries, furniture, fixtures, raw material, labor, utility, electricity, water, production setup. Number of things are there while you are setting the any industry. And commercial products and marketing. Packaging is the most important part for the food industry. Food, अगर आप फूड में आते हो तो उसके लिए flexible packaging is the most important part. And packaging material, which packaging material should be used for your particular product. Types of packaging material, कौन से पैकेजिंग मटेरियल के टाइप्स है. प्रोडक्ट वाइज पैकेजिंग अलग अलग होती है. देन पैकेजिंग मशीनरीज अलग अलग है. जैसे आप फ्लेक्सोग्राफिक पैकेजिंग यूज कर सकते हैं या रोटोग्राफिक पैकेजिंग यूज कर सकते हैं. किसी छोटे मोटे बिजनेस के लिए स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग भी यूज कर सकते हैं. प्रिंटिंग ऑन मटेरियल, बिजनेस एज अ फूड पैकेजिंग, ये एक बड़ा बिजनेस भी हो सकता है. ओनली यू कैन गो फॉर द फूड पैकेजिंग. So you can choose as the this is also one of the opportunity for the business, the packaging of the food. Then marketing aspects, food marketing, about food marketing, demand and scenario, product wise market survey you have to do, and data collection you have to do in the beginning, so that you will get the self confidence. मार्केटिंग टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स क्या है, कैसे करना है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ एग्रीमेंट कैसे करना है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के जो नॉर्म्स होते हैं उनके कैसे, लोकल मार्केट कैसे कैप्चर करना है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का जो एग्रीमेंट है यू विल नॉट गेट ऑन इवन ऑन गूगल ऑल्सो. So we give you the distributors details and how to deal with the distributors, and through distributor how we'll get the market. That is also highlighted in this program. Branding, अगर आप कोई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हो तो ब्रांडिंग इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, सो दैट द पीपल विल रिकॉग्नाइज बाय योर ब्रांड. पहले तो एक तो आपकी क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, एंड अगर आपकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है, आपने ब्रांडिंग किया है, तो ब्रांड नेम आपको बड़ा करना है अपना खुद का. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, as on today digital marketing is more important, because people are very ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में ज्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं. जैसे आपको वेबसाइट बनानी पड़ेगी, फेसबुक पे आपका अपना लॉन्च करना पड़ेगा प्रोडक्ट, और वेबसाइट ऑफ द एंटरप्राइज बनाकर उसमें आपको लोगों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप पहुंच सकते हैं. ट्रेडमार्क, आपका खुद का लोगो बनाइए, और ट्रेडमार्क कैसे लेना है, उसके लिए क्या क्या फॉर्मेलिटी करनी पड़ती है, बार कोडिंग कैसे लेना है, 4 P's ऑफ मार्केटिंग. सो ऑल दिस मार्केटिंग के लिए जो फंडे, बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं और वो उन्हें इजी लगता है, बट मार्केटिंग वाला तो एकदम पेट में कुछ तो चूहे दौड़ते हैं जैसा होता है उनको, क्योंकि मार्केटिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. जितना इम्पोर्टेंट है उतना ही सबको कठिन लगता है. बट हमारे यहाँ हमारा जो मार्केटिंग आपने देखा, मनीष, ही इज द मास्टर ऑफ मार्केटिंग, एंड ही डेफिनेटली गिव यू द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग टिप्स एंड डिटेल्स. इतना अच्छा बताएगी कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा और इजीएस्ट वे मार्केटिंग का लगेगा कि कितना अच्छा, कितना इजी है. यू विल नॉट बिलीव, हमारा जो कोर्स, हम फिजिकल कोर्स लेते हैं, in that we used to send the participant for the actual physical marketing. One day उनका marketing का एक day रहता है, and we send them, we give them 100 rupees only, and we send them in the market and ask them with this 100 rupees आप कोई भी चीज खरीद लो और वो बेच के आप आइए. 3 और 4, 3 और 3.5 hour we give them, and you won't imagine they enjoy like anything. इतने enjoy करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि मैडम कितना मार्केटिंग इजी है. और हमारे यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा 100 रुपीज के ऊपर 260 का विदिन 3 hours 100 रुपीज बेसिक उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट, उसके ऊपर विदिन 3 hours 260 रुपीज. दिस इज द हाईएस्ट नंबर हमारे पास है. तो इस तरीके से हम उनको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस भी देते हैं. बट ऑन दिस जूम इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल नाउ, बट मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इजी. बट द टैक्स, उसके जो टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स है वो आपको मालूम होने चाहिए. देन ओनली यू कैन सेल आउट द प्रोडक्ट एंड यू कैन अर्न लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ मनी. नाउ सबसे द heart of the business, heart of the industry is project report. Project report means शुरू से, when you start your business, शुरू से लेकर अंत तक जो आप करने वाले, that should be highlighted in the project report. People think that the project report is only for the bank purpose. If you want the loan, you make the project report, but it's not like that. Project report is definitely useful for you only. If you are running the factory, if you are running the business, you should know ins and out of this your business. So प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट जिसको आता है वो बिजनेस पूरा का पूरा अच्छी तरीके से चला पाता है. So general aspects, you have to write general aspects, means constitution of the factory, then name, address, then in how many days you will start the factory, and this general information. Technical aspects, in this comes the technology, then manufacturing process, flow chart, quality control, quality norms, FSSI license and all those things. Then marketing aspect, just we covered that, how you are going to do the marketing of the product, how you are selling your product. If you are making the project report for banking purpose, for getting the loan, then definitely you have to, the first thing they will ask that, how will you capture the market. So the marketing aspect you have to give in the beginning only. Minimum 50% orders you should have in your hand before starting the commercial production. So before going for this production, you have to do the market survey. You have to collect the data. ये डेटा अगर आप कलेक्ट करते हो तो आपको मार्केटिंग का पूरा डिटेलिंग नॉलेज होता है, एंड योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस विल बी इंक्रीज, एंड you will have different orders also in your hand. Financial aspects means you are using raw material, then you are processing on that. So number of expenditures you will do. So the production, you should know your production cost, and then selling price. And the selling price minus production cost, you will get the gross profit. And after deduction of the all taxes, you will get the net profit. So everyone should know his of his business, that how much percentage I am getting the profit, and how much percentage I am getting the gross profit in my business. Then fixed assets, working capital, financial analysis. We teach you whole project report in which you can get the return on your investment. If you are investing, suppose you are investing 10 lakh rupees, then return on investment on this 10 lakh rupees, if I am investing, how much return I am getting by the end of the year, that you should know. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली सीए बताएगा मुझे and then I will understand. So you should know that how much return I am getting and break even point. So all these things will be included in this course. Banking schemes, different schemes are there. I will not touch, I will not go details in this because this is very lengthy process. There are, but detailing will be given. Bank schemes, PMEGP schemes, seed capital scheme, SIDBI's National Equity Fund scheme, National Small Industries Corporation. These all are government institutions, and they are having their rules and regulations, terms and conditions, and criteria, different criteria. If you will follow those criteria, you will get the loan. See, if you will go to bank, the bank will give you 75% of the, suppose project cost is 10 lakh, the bank will give you 75%, means 7 lakh 50,000, and your contribution means promoter contribution will be 2 lakh 50,000. But if you will go for the government schemes, so just like National Small Industries Corporation, SIDBI's National Equity Fund scheme, seed capital scheme, these are all PMEGP scheme, all these are government financial schemes. In this, the promoter contribution will be less. The promoter contribution will be 10%, and you will get the loan 90%. Besides this is the most important thing. And besides this, in some of the scheme, you will get subsidies, grants also. So that is the benefits for going government financial schemes. And now there is a new scheme, Atmanirbhar scheme, collateral free credit scheme. Many of the people, they don't start their own business because they don't have their collateral security, and they don't want to give collateral security. But nowadays there is a credit free credit scheme is available. Without collateral and without guarantor, you can get the financial assistance. Bank loan, how to take the bank loan, what are the terms and conditions of the bank loan, then what are the norms and rules of the banks, then promoter contribution, कैसे आपको ये करना है, रेस करना है, रीपेमेंट शेड्यूल कैसे बनाना है, और कैसे यू हैव टू रीपे द फिनांस, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कहाँ कम मिलता है और कैसे वो आपको इसमें एडजस्ट करना है, that all those things will be taught in the project report. And lastly, motivation. See, अगर कोई भी इंसान सक्सेसफुल होना चाहता है, and if he want to become a successful entrepreneur, first thing he should have self confidence and positive attitude. If you are having hard work, you are ready to do hard work with devotion, dedication. If you are having a creative mind and with a lot of different ideas in your mind, and सबसे ज्यादा, सबसे बढ़िया and सबसे important, if you have a vision with lot of passion to achieve it, अगर वो जो विजन है आपका, जो गोल सेटिंग है, एंड वो अगर आपको आई वांट टू अचीव माय गोल, and for that if you are having passion, then definitely you will be successful entrepreneur. Then in the last we do the motivational एक हमारा लेक्चर होता है मोटिवेशन आपको इंस्पायर करने के लिए, एंड पर्सनल कंसल्टेशन आल्सो वी डू दैट. जैसे lot of things you will get here, knowledgeable, and after getting this knowledge, after getting so many ideas of different these opportunities, you have to select one of that. So we tell it, call it as a BOSS, business opportunity search and scanning. You have to search and scanning, searching करके scan करके lastly I have selected this product. And when you select one product, so then that product you have to emphasize on that, and you have to get detailing of that product. For that we assist you, for that we help you, और उसके लिए आपको जो जो चाहिए वो हम आपको देते हैं, so that you can go there, your self confidence should be increased, and you will start your business. So there are number of people, those who have come in our institute. While they come in your set, they were raw, and after completing this course, they have started. Lot of participants, they have started their own businesses. Here left hand side you can see the cashew nut processing. They are doing this cutting of the cashews in our factory, sorry, not factory, in our institute. Minimum 16 or 17 participants, they have started their this cashew nut processing. This is the bakery also, many people they have started bakery. This upper side in the middle you can see he is the 79-year-old Patil. He is from Alibag. He, after completion the course of plastic processing, he started this his own factory in Alibag. Then this right hand side second row में, अगर right hand side corner में आप lady देख रहे हैं, she is the वो बहू है बेडेकर की सून है वो. So she had been to our course of instant mixes, and after completing this course, Bedecker, they have launched this instant laddus, and she called me and told me that we are having lot of sale of laddus. So there are different people. You see, you can see here in milk and milk product. One Mr. Tilak, he has from Raigad district. He has also taken initiative in making the Srikhand, and now his Srikhand is so popular that in full Raigad district he has given the बहुत popular हो गया है उसका श्रीखंड. This is the Ayurvedic product batch. This is a share market batch. Number of people are there. One Mr. Bhavesh Patel. He has started one packaged drinking water factory in 2007, and now he is a crorepati. He has started 4 or 5 factories. At Panvel, he is having a new Panvel industrial area. High Rich product, High Rich brand is his brand name is High Rich, and सुपर डुपर हिट उसकी प्रोडक्ट है, एंड एक से उन्होंने 5 फैक्ट्रीज अभी बनाई है. So lot of participants, so many participants, they have started their own industry, own छोटा मोटा बिजनेस भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने चालू किया है, and they are now successful entrepreneurs. So friends, you will be one of them. So many photographs I am having, but now the time is over, which is given for me. Manish?
Ma'am, I cannot give you time. This is yours always, but I always appreciate your effort. Participants, I just want to say that, ma'am, जिस ढंग से सिंप्लिसिटी में यहाँ पे कोई बहुत सारे क्रीम्स और बहुत सारे ऊपर नीचे की चीजें नहीं बताई. जो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है वो है सिंपल से लैंग्वेज में, और यही पिछले आप देखेंगे कि पिछले 12 से 13 साल से यही चल रहा है. आप फोटोग्राफ्स भी देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे वो फोटोग्राफ्स है जो कोडाक कैमरा से निकाले हुए हैं, राइट. सो ये वो हमारे एविडेंसेस है जहाँ पे हम लोग बेसिकली कंटिन्यूसली इस जर्नी को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. द मेन थिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू से, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, जैसे मैम ने बताया कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या है. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एक यू कुड से स्टार्ट है. स्टार्ट किस चीज की है? ये for sake of doing business, that is a complete different thing. But if you are really interested that you want to create your career in food industry, then this is the time in the history of mankind where all people are struggling because of this COVID. All people are struggling to get something, something should be created, or a business journey should be started, like, right. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में इस कोर्स में सबसे स्पेशल क्या रहेगा कि व्हेन यू जॉइन दिस कोर्स, इंट्रोडक्शन टू द फूड इंडस्ट्री वुड बी गिवन. हाउ द फूड इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट इज फूड इंडस्ट्री, एंड व्हेन यू कैन एंटर इनटू इट, राइट, एंड with how much capital and those financial analysis, that is okay. Now किसी भी बिजनेस में सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है निश. निश का मतलब होता है टॉपिक. टॉपिक का मतलब होता है, अगर फूड इंडस्ट्री में बात करें तो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट जिसके लिए आप एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड है. अगर कोई मिल्क प्रोडक्ट कर रहा है और आप मिल्क प्रोडक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो नहीं, लेकिन आपने ऑलरेडी एक माइंडसेट तैयार कर रखा है कि मैं यहाँ पे ये कर सकता हूं और इस कैटेगरी में गिर रहा है. नथिंग लाइक इट. सो निश क्लैरिटी एक बार होने के बाद आपको फूड इंडस्ट्री का नॉलेज, निश क्लैरिटी के बाद मैम ने एक कंप्लीटली यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है कोर्स का, जिसमें अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन फूड इंडस्ट्रीज, राइट, कितने सारे के मेथड्स है प्रिजर्वेशंस, वो सारे सिखाए जाएंगे. उसके बाद फूड प्रोडक्ट्स कितने हैं, 400 से 500 फूड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, उनके बारे में आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी. उनकी टेक्निकल प्रोसेस क्या है, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के फ्लो चार्ट्स कैसे हैं, सारा मटेरियल अवेलेबल है. और स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉर्म में आप जो इंडस्ट्री को स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, बिजनेस लाइसेंसेस कैसे, कहां से शुरू करना है. और सबसे बड़ी बात, आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि मुझे एक लैंड लेना पड़ेगा, मुझे लोन लेना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा. क्यों नहीं हम एक छोटे बिजनेस से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, छोटी स्टार्ट से भी कर सकते हैं. व्हाई टू गो फॉर द क्रोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस? वी कैन स्टार्ट इन 1000 in fact, because I am a digital entrepreneur. Okay, and I'm gonna give you a gift today. Before leaving this webinar, I would be giving you one gift, and you would be amazed to know that. Okay, so food industry का knowledge, उसके बाद आपका निश क्लैरिटी, आपका प्रोडक्ट क्लियर, उसके बाद आपको फाइनेंशियल फूड इंडस्ट्री के बारे में नॉलेज, देन द सेटअप द फूड इंडस्ट्री प्रोसेस, बिजनेस लाइसेंसेस. ये होने के बाद मार्केटिंग टूल्स. मार्केटिंग इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. स्टार्टिंग हैविंग द नॉलेज ऑफ द बिजनेस, प्रोडक्ट क्लियर, क्रिएशन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, इट इंक्लूड्स एवरीथिंग फाइनेंशियल, एंड से यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ प्रोडक्ट, बन गया आपका. अब बेचना, मार्केटिंग एक ऐसी चीज है जहां पे आप पैकेज को, इवन आप YouTube पे भी जाते हैं तो YouTube पे सबसे पहले आप क्या देखते हैं? थंबनेल, राइट. जिसका अच्छा अट्रैक्टिव है थंबनेल, उस पर आप क्लिक करते हैं, चाहे मटेरियल कैसा हो नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज सेकंड थिंग, बट अंदर सबसे पहले पैकेजिंग। अब वो मार्केटिंग आप कैसे कर सकते हैं? सो डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या होती है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू इन दिस कोर्स, व्हिच यू कुड से अ चेरी ऑन अ केक। सो दैट लाइक आप इस वेबिनार में कैसे आए, आपको एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट मिला फेसबुक का, आपको एक लिंक मिली, वो लिंक से वो आपके इसमें यहाँ पे आ गए। अगर आप प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं और आपके प्रोडक्ट की फ्रेंचाइजी बांटना चाहते हैं फ्यूचर में, या फिर आप अपने लोगों को फेसबुक से अपनी वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर के लिए लाना चाहते हैं, तो फेसबुक की एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैसे करते हैं? तो मैं आपको एक जस्ट छोटा सा एक 2 मिनट में एक डेमो देता हूं कि किस तरह से काम करती है ये इंडस्ट्री, फेसबुक इंडस्ट्री। ओके, सो मैं I'll show you within a minute now. Okay, so डिजिटल फ्रीडम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये मेरी वेबसाइट है जहां पे मैं लोगों को सिखाता हूं कि डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कैसे कर सकते हैं। अभी ये जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, ये एक फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट की है, क्योंकि फूड प्रोडक्ट्स एक फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट है, लेकिन फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट को अगर आप डिजिटली बेचें तो एक एक सोने पे सुहागे वाली चीज हो सकती है, राइट? सो मैं क्या करता हूँ, यहाँ पे आपको सिखाने वाला हूं, मेरे बहुत सारे कोर्सेस है, क्रिएट योर डिजिटल एकेडमी, दैट इज कंप्लीटली नॉलेज बेस्ड का है, कि नॉलेज से आप अपनी डिजिटल एकेडमी कैसे बना सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, दैट इज कंप्लीट डिफरेंट थिंग। बट अगर आप और आगे जाते हैं, सो अपने प्रोडक्ट के वीडियो कैसे बनाना, वीडियो क्रिएशन मास्टरी, वो कैसे कर पाएंगे, वो मैं आपको सिखाने वाला हूं। डिजिटल एजेंसी अगर आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक है, एडवांस डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पे, लाइक फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, गूगल, यहाँ पे अपने प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग, आपकी वेबसाइट कैसे इजी से बना सकते हैं या किसी से बनवा सकते हैं। यदि आपको लगता है कि आपको मेरे पास एक ऐसे ऐसे टूल है जिससे आप वेरी इजीली, आप राइट नाउ, राइट अवे, इट्स लाइक अ जस्ट गो गोइंग और गेट गोइंग सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग। नाउ मेन इंपॉर्टेंट है फेसबुक। दिन में यहाँ पे हमारे पास 6 बिलियन यूजर्स है प्लैनेट पे फेसबुक के। कैन यू बीट 6 बिलियन? आई एम सॉरी, 6 बिलियन इन इंडिया ओनली। और अगर आप फेसबुक की मार्केटिंग करते हैं तो भी इनफ है, यूट्यूब तो दूसरी की बात है। तो ये फेसबुक की जो मार्केटिंग का ये कंप्लीट आपका ये जो कोर्स है, आई वुड बी गिविंग यू दैट कंप्लीटली विद दिस मैडम का कोर्स है, उसके साथ कंप्लीटली ये कोर्स आपको एब्सोल्युटली फ्री दिया जाएगा। डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैसे करते हैं, अपने प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट कैसे करना है, स्पेशली वीडियोस कैसे बनाना है, क्योंकि जैसा प्रोडक्ट जो दिखेगा वो बिकेगा, और दिखना इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? आपका प्रोडक्ट का पैकेजिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसके बाद आप उसको कैसे डिफरेंट, इवन मेरे पास एक ऐसी मेथड है जिसपे व्हाट्सएप से आप व्हाट्सएप पे अपनी मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो वो कैसे सारा किया जा सकता है। तो ये कंप्लीट एक जर्नी है, लिटरली एक जर्नी है, जहां पे मैंने बताया कि इंडस्ट्री के नॉलेज के बाद, प्रोडक्ट बनने के बाद, प्रोडक्ट के लाइसेंसेस लेने के बाद, आई मीन लाइसेंस पहले, देन प्रोडक्ट बनने के बाद उसको मार्केट में लॉन्च करना। आपकी एक डिजिटल शॉप होना जरूरी है। 400 या 500 रुपए महीने में आजकल वेबसाइट्स बन जाती है, राइट? पहले जैसे जमाने गए कि 20,000 में, 25,000 में वेबसाइट बनती थी, इजीली वेबसाइट बनती है, या आप बनवा सकते हैं, 2,000 3,000 में वेबसाइट बनती है। पूरी तरह से एक एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये कंप्लीट लर्निंग है। एंड कोविड की वजह से अब लिटरली हम लोग सोचते थे कि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर फूड इंडस्ट्री टू टीच अबाउट, बट नाउ वी आर सो मच कंफर्टेबल। इस कोविड में हम लोगों ने सो मेनी बैचेस कंप्लीट की है, जिसमें मैम ने कंप्लीटली फूड प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर कंसंट्रेट करते हुए पैकेजिंग तक लेके, डिजिटल इंडस्ट्री में हम लोगों ने डिजिटल कैसे उनको डिजिटली एक अपनी दुकान खोलना, एक फिजिकल शॉप है लड्डू की, और लड्डुओं को वेबसाइट पे बेचना, या लड्डुओं को व्हाट्सएप पे, आप अपनी सोसाइटी में देखते होंगे आजकल, इवन लास्ट ईयर आपने देखा होगा कोविड में कि वेजिटेबल का पूरा बॉक्स है 350 रुपए में लेके जाइए। लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे फूड इंडस्ट्री कितनी अच्छी तरीके से फल रही है, फूल रही है, राइट? और फल और फूल दोनों से ही आपके प्रोडक्ट बनने वाले हैं यहाँ पे। दैट इज वाई ये फल फूलना है हमको इस इंडस्ट्री में। सो ये कंप्लीट कोर्स का मैं आपको यहाँ पे जो मैम ने डिसाइड किया है कि 4 अप्रैल से हमारा कोर्स शुरू होने वाला है, 4, 5, 6, 7 और 8। और इसमें ये सारे टॉपिक्स है जिसमें मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बता दिया है, मार्केटिंग टूल्स, टेक्निक प्रोजेक्ट्स, गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस स्कीम्स, लोन असिस्टेंस, किस तरह से आप लोन ले सकते हैं 100% फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, और ये सारी चीज है। सो सबसे पहले तो मैं जस्ट जब बोल रहा हूं तब तक आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट कर, बिकॉज आई एम गोना गिव यू वन गिफ्ट वेदर यू जॉइन प्रोडक्ट और नॉट जॉइन, बट आई एम गोना गिव यू वन प्रोडक्ट। और वो प्रोडक्ट लेने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, वो गिफ्ट लेने के लिए आपको ये करना है कि जिस चैट बॉक्स में आपका नेम एंड नंबर डाल दीजिए। मैं एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर रहा हूं अभी यहाँ पे राइट नाउ। सो जस्ट चैट बॉक्स में जाइए, अपना नाम लिखिए और अपना मोबाइल नंबर लिखिए। वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मैं आपको राइट नाउ, राइट अवे, जैसे ही वेबिनार फिनिश होता है, मैं आपको अपना फेसबुक मार्केटिंग का कोर्स जो 5000 रुपीज का है, मैं आपको उसका एक सीक्रेट कोड देने वाला हूं ताकि आप वो एक्सेस कर सकें। आप फूड प्रोसेसिंग के साथ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी अगर पैरेलली स्टार्ट बाय स्टार्ट अगर आप शोल्डर टू शोल्डर अगर लेके चलेंगे तो आपको बहुत 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 इजी होगा। किस तरह से ऑडियंस सिलेक्ट करना है, महाराष्ट्र सिलेक्ट करना है, दूसरी स्टेट सिलेक्ट करना है, ये सारा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में है, एंड विच आई एम गोना कवर इन दिस कोर्स। ओके, नाउ लेट कम, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज फाइनेंशियल। सो हमारे भी एक नॉमिनल से चार्जेस हैं जो मैम यहाँ पे चार्ज करती है, और वो चार्जेस कोविड की वजह से हम लोगों ने काफी काफी काफी, अगर आप यहाँ पे अगर देखेंगे तो ये कंप्लीट कोर्स जो है, इसको हम लोगों ने नॉर्मली 8000 और 10,000 तक ये हमारी कोर्स की फीस होती थी, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड दिस ऑनलाइन हम लोगों ने इसको 4000 में फिक्स किया था। लेकिन स्टिल अब हम उसके ऊपर 50% डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं ये 5 क्लासेस के लिए, जिसमें फूड इंडस्ट्री का आपको मैम ने जो बताया वो ही एज इट इज, वो सारा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाएगा, प्लस 5000 का जो मेरा फेसबुक मास्टरी कोर्स है वो भी इंक्लूडेड है। टोटल इसकी जो कीमत है, इट्स द कोर्स की जो कॉस्ट है, इट्स 1999, मीन्स 2000 रुपीज में ये कोर्स है। 4 अप्रैल से शुरू होने वाला है, दैट इज टुडे इज फ्राइडे, Saturday and Sunday. So Sunday से evening में start होने वाला है, and that is what I'm asking you the WhatsApp group, details, so that I'll be putting you all the information about the schedules, the Zoom links and स्टडी मटेरियल जो आपको दिया जाएगा उसी WhatsApp ग्रुप पे दिया जाएगा, प्लस फेसबुक मास्टरी का कोर्स भी उसी पे दिया जाएगा, ताकि आप पैरेलली सब कुछ सीखते जाए और उसके बाद यहाँ से आप अपनी जर्नी शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो 4 अप्रैल से ये कोर्स शुरू होने वाला है। 1999 का ये कोर्स है। और
हाय मनीष, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, बट चैट बॉक्स आप एनेबल कर सकते हैं उसमें?
Okay, just sec.
We cannot incorporate any information. Thank you.
Okay. Can you get my link here? मैंने एक चैट बॉक्स पे एक लिंक डाला है।
हाँ
ये
वो है।
Okay, this is the InstaMojo. Just give me one moment. What I can do is I would create a group right now, okay? And वो ग्रुप की लिंक भेजता हूं, तो हम लोग वो ग्रुप को immediately यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर लेंगे। Okay, so new group, and then I'll add some person, say Ina here. Let's go here, and group subject is Miti. Okay, so a new group has been created here, and I'm gonna give you the link right now, so that directly आप number देने से अच्छा इस group को ही आप join कर सकते हैं। Okay, so I'll go into the invite. Right, so right, perfect. मैंने आपको WhatsApp ग्रुप का लिंक ही दे दिया, so you don't have to give now the numbers and names, and we would be connected with. So this is the WhatsApp group. है, just let me know if you are able to join this, and अब हम यहाँ से see, this is very nominal fees, 2000 rupees we are charging. We are giving 50% discount, plus I'm giving you my Facebook mastery course and everything, and digital learning thing. What is important now, a question answer round. So हम 5 to 10 minutes now a question answer round लेते हैं, जिसमें you can ask your question, unmute करके आप यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। Okay, just just second. I'm enabling this thing. Just give me a moment.
मनीष टाइमिंग बताओ उनको.
Yes. Right. Chat box is active now. Can you check this? Can you write something on a chat? Okay, Mr. Raju, you have joined. Janvi, you have joined to the group. Timing, ma'am, aapne hello Satish. Thank you.
Yeah. Then in that PPT, I have in the last. You can go there. Shall I?
Yeah,
share the.
Ma'am, आप directly मुझे time बता दीजिए 6:30 to 8:30, right? Evening में.
Yeah. You can share that PPT on the last page.
Okay, I think so. Dates are. मैं share करता हूँ. Just a second. Yeah, the dates are here. The March dates are mentioned. This is the older one. That is why हमारे पास जो ये वाला presentation है इसके हिसाब से the timetable and the schedule is 6:30 to 8:30, 4th April to 8th April. A continuous session चलेगा. What is the duration of the course? Yeah, Anil, duration of the course is 5 days here, 4th of April to 8th of April, and from 6:30 to 8:30 is the timing. Perfect. Do we get the recording of what? Recording of complete session or recording of this session? What is you're looking for? Okay, मैम stop sharing please. Stop share कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मेरा हो गया उनका वो.
नहीं, मैं उनको मेरा ये दिखाती हूँ.
जी मैम चलेगा. Okay. Do we get recording? If you want recording, definitely recording would be available. Zoom recording would be available, and you can get it. Okay. So that information would also be available.
This is the duration EDP on food processing industry. Duration is 4th March to 8th
March. The March is April now. Yeah.
April.
So
sorry.
we can correct that in the 4th
It is,
April. Yeah. And the time is the same. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Please continue. I'm sorry. Okay. So do we get certificate after the course completion? Yes, definitely you get a certificate after completion of this course, and the certificate would be provided. Any more question, please?
4th April to 8th April, 5 days course, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. every day. And after that, when you will select one product, we will give here in this course only, we will give the details of that product, right from the manufacturing process, flow chart, all different legal formalities, how to set up industry, and everything, whatever I have covered now. But if you want the demonstration of that product, then that will be the next level advanced course with live demonstrations of the food products. So that will be the next level of the course. So in this course, we will give the detailing of that product, and you have to select the product, and we will definitely give you from A to Z about that selected product. Any question if you want to ask, you can ask.
Yeah, Anil, we have 2 level of courses. The first level is the basic level, जहाँ पे हम लोग we are going to explain everything about the food industry, and then you have to select the product. And say if you want to go into the milk product, if you want to go into the food processing for fruits or vegetable, then the particular course would be different, and that would be conveyed in the WhatsApp group. So everything would be provided in the WhatsApp group, right?
Yeah, I mean, actually, my name is Amla. Anil is my father's name, so I'm operating from his PC, hence it has come like this.
No problem. What's your name? I'm sorry.
Amla.
Okay, Amla, please tell me.
Yes. So I mean, my product is already ready. So I am a baker by profession, but however, I wanted some information with regards to the schemes and loan facilities which we get in order to expand the business.
Yeah.
So will that aspect be covered in this course, or in case if I need some further consultation, I'll have to pay extra?
No, it is covered, madam. Which product you have decided?
Bakery.
It's into bakery and chocolates.
Yeah, I told you, no, the whole PPT I have showed, no, in that whatever it is given, no, that is the course content. So it was very much there, different schemes and detailing of that.
Yeah, but all I'm saying is that आप वो कोर्स में आप हमें उसका डिटेलिंग बता दोगे, समझा दोगे एक बार के लिए, बट
Sure.
उसके बाद भी कभी-कभी हो सकता है कि हमें शायद और कंसल्टेशन की ज़रूरत पड़े, तो
Yeah,
उसके
yeah,
लिए एक्स्ट्रा
sure.
चार्जेस पे करने हैं या कैसा है?
No,
मैं ये
no, no.
समझना
It is
चाहती हूँ.
absolutely free of
आमना,
charge.
यहाँ पे
You
start
can
करना
ask me. You can call me, and you can also even meet me in the. I am having my office at Thane, at Nopada. You can meet me
Okay.
in office also.
Amla,
Okay.
this is the thing, you know, there are no hidden charges basically. There are and see, you are talking probably if you are talking a market manager, that is different thing. But you are talking right now with the lady entrepreneur in the Maharashtra. She got so many awards, and then, you know, after support is amazing. She provides after support like. You could say, see, she told you in front of all the participants that you can call me, you can get in touch with me, you can come into office, and she's not going to charge you extra money. So don't worry about that. So, you know,
Okay.
that is the biggest advantage with the meeting with Anaga ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. That was
Perfect.
Where do you stay, madam?
Thane.
Thane,
I stay
Thane.
In
in
Mumbai
Thane.
only. In
Thane,
Thane only. Oh,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah. So
You never heard about this course because last 15 years we are we are conducting this course in Thane.
No, actually, I came across this course through the
So many
Facebook
people they had undergone this course.
advertisement. No,
yes,
I haven't heard about
आमला
it. It
आमला
was
हमारा
yeah.
जो
We
तो
used to
पहला
give this
approach था
advertisement in
used
paper. In newspaper we
नहीं,
used to give the advertisement.
Not that I know. ये मैंने Facebook पे देखा तो मैंने immediately sign up किया था क्योंकि मुझे काफी information चाहिए थी, so I just thought I'll give it a try.
perfect.
Yeah.
So right, I mean, this is the best opportunity, that the best time for the food industry after COVID and during COVID. Right now, we can create our product and we can sell on the online platforms. Also, we can go for
Manish,
the exporter.
one question is there. Do we get certificate after the course completion? Yes, you will get the certificate after the course completion.
Yes, ma'am.
We used to give the certificate to all participants since from last 17 years. I told you that 10,000 to 15,000 they have started participants. They have started their own industries, some small and chota mota business. सबने चालू किया. Everyone is having their certificate, and I am proud to tell you that on our certificate, this will be considered for the loan also. This certificate.
Perfect.
Will there be more charges for consultation
वो
post the course? No.
आमला ने पूछ
No.
लिया है, हाँ वो आंसर हो गया है.
But it's not like that. If you will decide that on Monday, this Monday I will come, but if I will be free on that day at the particular time, then only I will consult you. Otherwise, you can consult me on phone also.
Perfect.
Because I am always busy in my courses and all those things. So according to my time, you have to adjust for that. That is the only condition. Otherwise, definitely you can call me on phone. We will be here. Another question if you want.
Anyone is having any other question, you are most welcome to answer everything, and you can ask us on the WhatsApp group as well, and we'll be answering those questions. I'm sending you the payment link for 1999, and once you make this payment, then I would be giving you the free the Facebook. Although I'm gonna give you the free course to everyone who has joined and who has attended this and has given. Yeah, digital marketing details, please.
Details, please.
Digital marketing details I would be providing on the WhatsApp group. Don't worry about that. Digital marketing, how digital marketing works, and I would be giving you one amazing.
Share the link in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I have already shared, ma'am, that thing. So I would be giving you one important information about the digital marketing, the super. You know, right now I can show you the digital ads which we have conducted, and 6 rupees per lead we are getting customers. 6 rupees is very. आप बोलोगे ना कि अगर पेपर में अगर आप लिफ्ट प्लेट भी हम लिफ्ट को भी डालते हैं वहां पे और पैम्पलेट भी डालते हैं तो वो भी हमको 8 से 10 रुपए में पड़ता है, पर फेसबुक का हमको 5 से 7 रुपए में हम लोगों को एक लीड मिलती है. And how to convert that lead into your customer, that I would be teaching you all about, and every information would be available in that course. Okay, So, ma'am, anything from your side you want to add? Then we can finish up this, and we'll. Yeah, ma'am. Anaga, ma'am.
No, those who want to join for this course, they can join this WhatsApp group, so that we will come to know how many people they are interested to start the program.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. And मैम ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोगों ने ज्वाइन कर दिया है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड हम लोग आप उनके आंसर उनके पोस्ट क्वेरीज भी आप
And
उनको दे सकते हैं.
you please, Manish, please tell them about the payment, how they will do.
I have already given, ma'am. I have given the link. I have given the link. And WhatsApp group में भी मैं दे दूंगा वो. And then we would be doing that. Right. Thank you very much, everyone, and we appreciate your time.
Thank you very much for your participation, and thank you for your time, valuable time. And I hope that definitely you will have lot of confidence in your mind, and you want to become a successful entrepreneur, so that you start from this moment to become entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur. And for that, you join the course, and I assure you that after completion of the course, definitely you will increase your confidence, positive attitude, your passion. And मुसीबतें तो आएगी, मुसीबतों से डरना क्या, मुसीबतें आना ये पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, उसमें से बाहर आना, it is the art of life. So definitely we will teach you art of how to set the industry and how to become a successful entrepreneur. Jai Ho. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manish.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Right. Thank you. Bye-bye. We are just closing the webinar now. And we again appreciate your time, your valuable time, and we can discuss on the WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.